you'll probably die alone. You scream that reliable four-letter word at the void through a microphone. The bottle you use to numb and sedate, well, it makes you slur and it makes you hate the pain you feel deep down inside. Well, it ebbs and it flows, but it never subsides. Whoa, 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 whoa. You'll never get that weight off, and what you fear is true. Now let's be realistic, who could love someone like you? You don't have the courage to do what you want, and what you are just ain't enough. Well, it grows and it builds in the back of your mind while you rage against something that you can't define. Whoa, 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 whoa. Insecurities, what your friends say isn't true. Insecurities, they whisper sweet lies to protect you. Insecurities, you're not who you think you are. Insecurities, control your life till it's falling apart. Whoa, whoa, whoa.